So some of y'all have been asking on how I do my curly hair. So I'm gonna do a tutorial, or I'm gonna try to, because I'm really bad at doing tutorials. So I used high knee socks, and it's only one sock. I cut one sock in half, like vertically, and I stretched it out like this so that the curls can appear more tighter. Take a comb and split your hair in the middle, and you want your hair like slightly down so that the curls could hold. I think that's what it's for. So now that you split your hair in half, each side you're gonna split it again, but like sideways, and do the same for the other side. These two behind, you're just gonna tie these two. I do this so that the curls are more tighter and smaller. Oh my god, he on X Games mode. He's gonna look like that. Don't mind my voice, I don't know what happened. Smoothie. So with one half of the sock, you're gonna place it like so and tie this part down. We're gonna work with the other side. What you're gonna do under your hair and just twist it around the sock forward, not backwards, or else it's gonna look, I mean, if you can, but I like that look, that cup look. So when you take out the curls, it's like this way instead of this way, and it doesn't make my forehead look big. You're gonna twist it, and as you twist it, you take, oh my god, you take like a piece of hair and just join them together. Then twist. So how you secure this is you take this part, or like the leftover sock, and then just wrap it around really tight. So once you do that, you're gonna pinch it and secure it with a hair tie, just like that. And then you're gonna take a bigger hair tie. Make sure it's really tight, so you want to twist it. You're gonna put it into a bun, and with the bigger hair tie, you want to tie it. And then same thing on the other side, and then same thing here. So you're gonna look really weird, but beauty is, I don't know. I'll show you how to do the back side. So you're gonna split it in half, and then basically you do the same thing. Wait, so you're gonna take a piece of your hair and just wrap it or twist it and all the way down. So you're gonna do this, do the same thing to the other side, and then you're gonna sleep. So I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna go sleep, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. My neck's about to break.